we always find a better way.
Yes, there is always a better way.
Absolutely, we are the better way. Nothing is impossible. Today we can go to moon, then we can do everything. Goyam started in 1971. My father came from a village, Sunam, in 1967 in Ludhiana. In the 10-15 years with hard working, my father made a good company in Indian market sales. When I joined my father's business in 2000, we started for export. Luckily, by grace of God, I met a very good, experienced engineer, Mr. Harbhajan Singh.
And he told me that he wanted to manufacture an oil expeller and wanted to export it. He wanted to do only export. I decided to just join it.
मेरे हस्बैंड ने इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, तो वो मोस्टली इंटरनेशनल टूर पे ही रहते थे, जो मेरे लिए बड़ा ही चैलेंजिंग टाइम था। गुड बिजनेसमैन की लाइफ में दो फैमिलीज़ होती हैं, प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल। अगर मेरे हस्बैंड प्रोफेशनल फैमिली को टेक केयर कर रहे हैं तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है मैं पर्सनल फैमिली को टेक केयर करूं, और आई टुक दैट ऑल।
Today time is competition. If we will not go with the time, we will remain behind, very behind. So we have to make new developments, new technology. My dream was to make India's biggest #1 company in this oil extraction plants. We have a modern facility with all concrete flooring, epoxy paint, and automation machines, CNC machines, VMC machines. We have a latest new machines that helps in our making our achievements.
गोयम ग्रुप का जो विजन है, लोगों को बढ़िया टेक्नोलॉजी की मशीनरी देनी और आगे से आगे टेक्नोलॉजी को इम्प्रूव करना।
We are getting the inspiration from our international exposures, very high standards of the fabrication, designing, manufacturing, and we are bringing designs and developments down to the economical scale.
There are 4 manufacturing hubs: China, India, America, and one is Europe. Our product quality are at par with the European and the American standards.
There are limited export of machineries from India. Goyam is among the top 10 engineering companies in India which are dealing in edible oil processing machineries. So starting from mustard, soybean, palm kernel, groundnut, sesame, sunflower, Goyam is perhaps the only company in India which can provide machines to extract oil from them. So we are market leaders in our segment.
We have our footprints in over 54 countries across the globe in 6 continents.
I must say G stands for Goyam and G stands for global. We are rapidly covering all the other parts of globe.
We are customer-centric company. We adapt to the customer's need. More often than not, what companies make mistake is that they tend to focus on their niche products and do not adapt or mold themselves to the customer demand. We have customized solutions for each market depending upon the local conditions of those markets so that customers can fulfill their ambitions. Marketing is based on sharing of knowledge, information, and innovation. So we have to innovate consistently.
Innovation is about absolute empowerment.
Innovation means modernization.
Innovation is building bridges. Goyam is always keep on innovating new machinery, new equipment, new technology. So I think the customers are always getting benefit from our machinery, our techniques, our innovation.
Our customer always tells to us that your plant and projects what you are delivering has the advanced technology. We have the design and engineering team who is developed all the designs. We are using all the latest softwares like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Primavera, other softwares also for the designing.
Our specialty is just we are producing all spares in-house. We are manufacturing here according to our sizes, our specifications. Very careful about the accuracy of that.
We are manufacturing our own gearboxes, designed and manufactured in Goyam.
Goyam
is not only a provider of turnkey solutions for oil extraction, but where it differs is that Goyam can also provide value additions. This is what puts Goyam apart and gives it an edge over the other people in the market.
Goyam as a brand has built its reputation by serving its customers for past 20 years in a very professional manner.
Goyam is recalled by his quality.
We guys are totally focused on the quality, and the machines that we guys are producing is, as I already mentioned, it's actually equivalent to the developed countries like Germany, France, US. My vision is very simple. Whenever people talk about oil industry, refinery, solvent, the only name should come in their mind, Goyam. And that's the Goyam way.
We have a very good team. They've adjusted a lot. They've adjusted with us, and we have helped each other, and that is all that matters, that we have to stick together and just go.
We are here to make a change, to make a difference. We change, we evolve, we transform.